Experts attending an international human rights seminar on Tuesday spoke highly of China's human rights development and highlighted China's efforts in promoting international dialogue and cooperation on human rights issues. The 2022 China-Europe Seminar on Human Rights was held both online and offline on Tuesday, with separate venues in the Austrian capital of Vienna and the central Chinese city of Wuhan. More than 100 human rights scholars, officials and representatives from international organizations attended the seminar, themed, Science and Technology and Human Rights. Heinz Fischer, former Austrian president and president of the Austria-China Friendship Association, told Xinhua on the sidelines of the seminar that he had visited China many times since the 1970s and witnessed the country's rapid socio-economic development and progress in human rights cause.
In 1975 in China and today, then you have a huge and impressive difference about the progress for the individual human being in China. I'm very positive that in the discussion between China and Europe, in particular also between China and Austria, human rights are an issue because, as we just have said, there are some different approaches to the role of human rights and to the center of human rights. It is necessary to exchange opinions, and in such a seminar.
The seminar was co-hosted by the China Society for Human Rights Studies and the ACFA.